Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites, so changes act on a known baseline. First, confirm your device is on the correct Wi-Fi and can ping the router. This proves basic connectivity. Next, note the private DNS name or IP and whether the device uses automatic or private DNS. You will toggle that. Also log into the router or DNS host credentials now. Once done, you'll be able to compare settings and avoid guessing during the fix. Now you isolate whether the private DNS or the path to it is failing. Temporarily set manual DNS to reliable public servers like 8 or 1 If browsing returns, the private server is the culprit. Then run traceroute and port checks for 53 and 853 to see where packets stop, because blocked ports or misrouted traffic often break DNS. Make sure the router isn't blocking DNS forwarding or conditional rules. Adjust and retest after. Finish by restarting and clearing caches. Restart the DNS service, flush the server and client DNS caches, then reapply the private DNS setting to verify. If you use DNS over TLS, update and confirm the server certificate and ensure the hostname matches the certificate SAN, because mismatches prevent access. If problems persist, try another device to rule out local config, revert temporarily to a working DNS, and document every.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.